Hello, welcome to yet another show. I look pretty tall in this shot. I'm sitting on a pillow. Back to reality, back to reality. Okay. Look at this. This is just a bunch of spinach stalks. I went and cleaned them because they're kind of dirty. I'm just gonna try and eat the butt of the spinach stalk. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm gonna bite it off and spit it out. But still looks kind of iffy. Still looks kind of dirty here. Maybe I should have ripped them apart. I don't know. If this is how I die, this is how I die. Now there's a lot of spinach. I don't even know what to do. Take a bite of my cucumber, I guess. Um, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm happy that I'm doing it, and I'm here. But, like, what's the point? Mukbanging for nobody. It's for me. I don't remember that. Haven't even had our first comment on this channel, and this is installment 4, baby. I'm getting carried away eating the cucumber. Take a smaller sprig. I'm gonna bust off the end of this too. Looking pretty good. Some flesh still here on the top ring. We got busted off with the stem piece, the bell pepper. Oh, and take them out of this because it looks like there's a lot of seeds left. A little rotten piece on the bottom of this one. That's why I grabbed it to eat today. Even though I had this, another reason why I grabbed it is because this bell pepper is so small. And that's the only other colored one I have left that isn't just green. I have a few green ones left. I guess. I guess green is a color too. Ask Kermit the Frog. It isn't easy being green. I discriminated against the color green right there. These spinach stalks make it look really leafy still. I just ate all the leaves off the spinach and there's all these stalks left over. I'm like, I'm not going to waste them. Eat the greens of the stems that kind of got picked off. It doesn't taste that good, actually. I got a lot of spinach to eat, so it looks... I do not like the stalks look at all, though. So I just want to bite it off. Get it out of my mouth. It just seems like there's trace amounts of dirt. And I'm like, I don't like that idea. But I feel obligated to eat it anyway. I was just thinking about going on adventures. Like getting, I don't know, a work visa. Thinking about traveling abroad in America. Maybe I could like paint portraits. This is my sign where I make speed portraits or caricatures. I'm like, I'm working on it right now. I don't think it's quite ready yet. I think I need to make these letters thicker. Okay, good to know. Yeah, that's what I'll be working on, is that sign. After I finish this mukbang and posting the video. Take the sprig of asparagus. These are pretty old. I bought a big bunch of it and I've been eating them a few at a time. And the fresher they are, the less ripped off. But that's like the stale part where it's kind of like woody eating. But after you rip that off, the asparagus is pretty good. Right to the tip. And that's what she said. I'll be careful not to eat my cucumber too fast. I like it. Yeah. Well, it seems pretty clean. I don't know. Ah. I have to do better with the rest of the spinach, I guess. Or what if I get violently ill? One can dream. No, that really suck, actually. Yeah, that was more than half the asparagus. That one was less intrusive. There's quite a bit of food here. It is dinner after all. I did have a little bowl of spaghetti. Way less than I'd normally have. And then I came down here and filmed this mukbang. in substitution for dinner. Oh, I should put my watch back on. I have one of these fake Fitbit-like things. It gave me a goal of 10,000 steps a day. In the first 2 days, I beat it. Yesterday, I only got 9,000 steps. And right now, I'll tell you, I'm at 8,300 steps. But I also had it charging for the last hour. I'm kind of running low on things to eat. It might be a light show tomorrow, but I hope to make some money this weekend. I'm going to the farmer's market and painting portraits. Yeah, I'm just going to rip off a healthy bit of these ends of the spinach in hopes that if there's any little bits of dirt, it's at the ends. Looks kind of good. Feels weird just eating the lettuce or the spinach stalks. This diet would be similar to a one of those juice diets where they just juice all these vegetables and fruits. But I'm the juicer, baby. I like chewing food. There's like a few spinach leaves here. I'm just trying to eat them all. Checking to see if there's a banana on the sticker. Sticker on the banana. My battery's red light is flashing. I thought I'd let you know. It'll probably not impact the show at all, but it bothers me. Just thought I'd let you share. Orange pepper. I'm gonna eat this banana. How do you eat a banana? I like to put it down and then go like this. Oh, pretty good way to eat a banana, if you ask me. Bananas sure are tasty. Ew. Tastes like I bit a soft spot. And just tasted it funny in my teeth. I think there's a little bit of a soft spot there. I'm gonna try and eat it though. Oh, maybe it was a bruise. Looks like there's another bruise right here. I'm really glad I didn't throw those spinach stalks out. I was thinking about it. But I ate them all. Okay. End of the show. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it. See you later.